Hi everyone, and welcome again to my channel. So this time I want to show you a basic use of Tableau desktop software. Perhaps this is a very basic one and fundamental literally, as you will learn how to put to Excel files, match it and show it publicly on the internet. I use the same files as on my previous video, as you can see right here on the card link if you want to look out for more detail. And by doing all of steps on this video, all I just want to say is welcome to Business Intelligence. So make sure that you already have an account on tableau.com and make a perfect installation of Tableau desktop software after you downloaded the installer from the website. Okay, now we first move to this Excel file, and like I said before, this is the same Excel file I used on SQL learning session in my previous video. This file contains one sheet with two table names, right? Complete with column structure and just few columns and rows on both tables. These two tables are related with ID column, as you can see here on the left side of the screen. Actually, we need to simplify it by removing unused rows like this one. We can delete it, and also another column that we don't need, just like this in the F column. And after that, we need to split it into two Excel files. So next we can save it and make it duplicate from the file explorer. However, we can use single file with different sheet, but I think we need to try the other way. Okay, so this is how the files look like. We now have two Excel files on Explorer. On the first file, just simply remove the other table and save it. And for the second file, just remove the first table. Okay, next open the Tableau desktop software and connect to the first Excel file, and as you can see here, the Excel file will load it on the software. Next, add more connection to the second file. And you will see that both files are matched automatically, as the software detects the same column as the key from each file, which is the ID column. Okay, go to worksheet number 1 and focus on left pane where it shows column names separated by the data type. We can select all of the column name and drag it to the sheet 1 drawer. As you can see here on the drawer, there are 6 columns, including 1 additional column named by count of sheet. Anyway, we can remove it if we want to, just like this. Right click on it and select remove. From this step on right pane, we can make different visual by clicking the graph icon. See that? We can view it with pie graph, bar, or scatter, or anything you desire want to show. From this screen, also you can show it in presentation mode by clicking this icon. Okay, for the last step, to make it publicly show it on the internet, you can click File and Save to Tableau Public. And if you don't see your account name below, it means that you have to sign in with your account you created before. And after that, you can free to edit the workbook title and click the Save button. Just wait for a while and congratulations for your first Tableau public table. If you want to show other visual, you can edit from the drawer screen. For example, click the other grab icon and then resave it. Okay, so at last, copy the URL and share it to anyone you want them to see, including your lecturer, for example. So that's it, and hope you learn the concept of working with BI tools. This concept also applied to other similar tools such as Power BI or Google Studio or other data visualizer software. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and see you again on the upcoming video. Bye.